Candida here, and I was sent this 5-pack of Wool Crew Socks in exchange for my honest review. The socks come in a cute little gift box, so these are gonna make a great gift, or they can be broken up and given as gifts as well. So here we've got this really peach corally color. We've got a light green color. We've got purple. We've got a darker green and a yellow color. These socks are going to be the crew length, so these are going to go up just above the ankle. These are wool socks, so they are nice and warm and feel nice and toasty on my toes. They are machine washable and they fit sizes 4 to 9. I like to give practical gifts every year at Christmas, and socks are definitely a win. These socks are not only warm, but these can also be paired together with other gifts, or these are gonna make a great white elephant gift for the ladies. What I like about this is, even though they are nice and warm, they are not overly thick. And so I can wear these with my tennis shoes, I can wear them with my boots, I can wear them with different shoes and make sure my feet stay nice and warm. With these being a crew length fit, you can see here how they go up just above my ankle a little bit. If I have my boots on, I don't have to worry about it rubbing because it does come up high enough. But they're also thin enough that I can wear with my tennis shoes. And I think they are just a super fun color. I am always cold, typically year round, and so having nice warm socks on when I'm at home running around or even just lounging around, it's always a must for me. I love giving practical gifts, so these are definitely gonna be a must-have for gift giving this year. So I hope you found the review helpful.